Hi, my name is Augustus Ligney. I am from St. Lucia. I got introduced to Forex by one of my coworkers, Ronald Ellick. At that time, he was a small trader, but now he's making the money, so he influenced me to join the school. At first, I didn't know anything about Forex. It took me about 6 months to learn it. For the moment now, my biggest day is 700 US, but I plan on making it bigger. But Scar's program is very ticklish. But if you are greedy, you'll have problems with it because you'll see the success. So you'll try to push it. But if you stick to her program, you will be able to be profitable consistently. So Forex Sniper School is where it's at, guys. Join up.